Welcome back, Crammers, to question 6. Write 5:15 p.m. using a 24-hour clock. If it's p.m., we simply add 12 to how many hours there are. So 5 plus 12 is 17, and we write the minutes as given. So our time in 24-hour clock is 17:15. Roberta goes out for a walk. She leaves the home at 16:35. She arrives back home at 20:15 on the same day. Work out how much time Roberta is out for her walk. Now, in order to find the difference between the time she comes back home and the time she leaves, we have to convert this to minutes. So 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we can see here that 16 hours is simply 16 times 60 minutes plus 35. And here she arrives back home at 20 times 60 plus 15. And we can actually find the difference here. So we have 20 times 60 plus 15. Subtract 16 times 60 plus 35. We can use our calculator here. We have 20 times 60 plus 15. Close the bracket, and we subtract 16 times 60 plus 35. We have 220 minutes, but it's asking us to also give the hours. So we have to find the highest multiple of 60 just before 220, and that is 180 minutes. So we can simply write 3 hours because 180 divided by 60 is 3 hours, but 220 minus 180 is 40 minutes. So we can simply write here 40 minutes. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.